Yo, what is good, y'all?
What is up, y'all, man? It's back with another video like we promised.
It's Bryson here.
And it's Malik, Curl got Malik.
We with the Lit Bros, you feel me?
Lit Bros.
You feel me? So look, today we got a great, intense, sexual,
Gone wrong,
must watch.
in the hood,
At gunpoint,
gun drawn,
prank,
gone sexual.
all that YouTube video.
Yeah.
What we gonna be doing today?
We gonna be asking girls to smash
Or pass this on the Monkey app.
on the Monkey app, on the ooh.
So basically, you don't know what this is. It's basically like an app where you can FaceTime random people and you don't know where they are. They can be next to you, like in your state. They can be across the country,
They can
whatever.
be next door.
And basically, we're just gonna
They
be
can
asking
next
them.
door.
So basically, we're just gonna be
They can be next door.
I knew he was gonna say that. That's why I'm just gonna. So basically, what we're gonna be doing today, guys, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna be on the Monkey app, and then we're just gonna be. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, shoot my leg. Before this video even starts, you feel me? Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Before this video even starts, you feel me? Because you know what I'm saying? We just trying to gain out here. We hit 1,200 subscribers. Can
We hit 1,200 subscribers. So, don't hurt me, Bryson. Yeah.
Yeah, so before this video starts, subscribe, smash the like button. Alright, let's get to like 13 to 1,350, which means 1,300, 1,350.
Alright.
Truce. And yeah, enjoy the video.
And we gotta find somebody. Not your girl from the United States. Hey, what's up? My name Malik.
Hey,
Hey, you fine? You fine or whatever?
at time.
At time.
Bro, what was going on? No, what was going on?
Y'all heard that? What was that? Bet. Hey, what's up? What's up? At time. Would y'all smash me or would y'all pass me?
I won't smash you.
Word? All three of y'all? That's
Hold up though.
I'm only here for the clout. I was asking you.
But would y'all smash or pass me though?
I was smashed.
How many of y'all is smashing though?
Smash. Both y'all smashed.
Bro, we catching STDs out
wait.
here.
At
We
the same
catching
time?
STDs out
At the
here.
same time. Hey, I got a question.
Niggers, I said pass.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hold up. This is a room full of, nah, y'all are way too bright. Y'all are way too bright to be saying
Oh,
that.
that's going in the video.
Y'all are way too bright to be saying that.
You like mixed. You like Mexican.
Y'all ancestors are slave owners. What's going on?
What's up? What's up? Hey, quick question though.
I feel hurt.
Quick question though. Would y'all let me suck your toes and drink your bathwater? Go.
Go. I got a serious question.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Me and him are having a conversation. I was wondering, would you smash or pass me?
She's gonna She's gonna smash you.
She's gonna, but is you catching these AIDS?
Oh no.
You're so in there.
That's a pass, bro.
What about me?
Hold on. Okay, hold on. See, okay, look, I can't go out like that. Okay, what if I didn't have AIDS though?
Smash.
She said, smash. I mean, all right.
Now wait, smash past me. You know I'm looking a little light in this filter, but like,
Bro, hell no. That's a fucking smash right there.
see, Bryce, it's too easy. Just letting you know, if we smash, I'm sliding that chlamydia. So,
Poppy, you're so in there.
Dang, she taking all the diseases.
All the STDs.
All the diseases. So y'all need to not be so quick to answer, you know what I'm saying? You don't ever know what's out there.
Yeah, you never know.
You never know.
What's up, young man?
It was good.
Huh?
It was good. Would y'all smash or pass me?
Pass.
It's fine.
Pass.
There won't be a next time.
It's all passes. What?
Hey, but smash past me though. What's up?
You look like a little bitch. Well, you look like a little white boy. You look like a girl. You look like a girl, yeah. But you're cute. You just look like a girl.
Are y'all mad that your tracks are falling out? Hey, what's up? Yeah. At time. I got a question. Okay. Would you smash or would you pass me?
Let me see your face. Yeah, I would smash.
How are you gonna smash if you're like 12 years old though?
I'm not 12.
How old are you?
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
I'm 15.
You 15.
I gotta ask you if you gonna smash or pass me though.
Oh yeah, I would smash. I would smash. Yeah.
She said, oh yeah. She said, she said, I'm gonna give you the pipe, matter of fact. Wait.
Made a speedy recovery. No.
Wait a minute. It's good.
Hello.
Yo, out of time. Yo, I got a question for both y'all though.
Okay.
If y'all were to smash or pass me, which one would you choose?
For you? I'm scared. I told you.
Oh, you gonna pass.
Hey yo, add me as a friend. Add me as a friend.
Alright.
Cause I'm about to slide in those.
That light bright, bro. Hold on. So we have a little competition. Smash past me.
Okay, I added you. And this is her account. Her, that.
Y'all ain't answer my question though.
What you say?
Smash or pass?
Smash.
Smash.
She said simultaneously.
Like.
Alright, now y'all just got to add us on Instagram, you feel me?
We're on the phone now.
You
Smash. You're like 8. Get off a monkey. You're like 8.
okay. Yo, matter of fact, add me as a friend because you look like a snack, to be honest.
Oh.
Thank you.
To smash or pass me, which one would you do?
I don't really like boys, but you cute, so I smash.
You gonna have to smash?
Yeah.
I'm turning the girls out over here, bro. I'm turning girls out. You see me? I mean, like, you know, it's like, yeah, that appreciate you.
Alright, but look.
So, like, you trying to fight today, or you trying to fight today, or?
You got like a 90% chance.
I got a 90%. That's the 8. I'm passing, therefore we smashing. It rhymes, therefore it flies. What's good? I'm slinging balls everywhere.
Watch your profanity.
My time. Hey, if you had the option, would you smash or pass?
The fuck is he doing?
Where you should let me drink your bathwater.
He said he wants to drink your bathwater.
Like, yo, look. If I cannot shove my ice cream in between your ears and just lick it all up, I don't want you.
If I can't put Reese cups between your toes and eat them with no hands.
Then what are we? So, is you down for all that?
Why are you two so fine? Say word.
Hold up, what?
Put your face in the camera real quick so I can screenshot you. So I can put you on my Snapchat. Just go ahead and do it.
Wait, you know me?
Yes, I follow you on Instagram already.
Oh.
I just ain't know who this was at first. Get a screenshot, girl. I did get a screenshot. add me on Snapchat too. There you go. Let me see.
Oh, we look really tired right now. It's like 2, 3 in the morning.
Like 4 in the morning.
Something like that, you feel me? Cause look, the grind never stops for me. When we up, we filming, we working, we grinding, we doing something. But yeah, thank y'all so much that got to the end. Everybody that liked the video, everybody that subscribed, everybody that's about to do that right now, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys really liked the video. And make sure you guys
like it, I swear to God, like it.
Look, if you don't like, we gonna come to your room. We gonna
and beat you up at night. Yeah.
Aggressive, real aggressive. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, yeah.
Comment what y'all thought.
I'ma come in your room at night.
I gotta handle this every time. Hey, every time, like, just, I don't wanna have to do it. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, the like button. Let's get to 1,300 to 1,350 subscribers. And,
yeah.
And, smash the like button. Can we get like... And yeah, let's get to like, can you guys smash the like button? Get to like 150 likes. Y'all been killing the like game. 150 likes, I challenge y'all to that. And follow our social media. My Instagram is gonna be right here.
I won't let you hurt
right
me.
Here. Yeah, so where's your Instagram gonna be at? Follow his Instagram, follow my Instagram, all that, and comment what you thought, leave was funny.
For my clout.
Y'all have a good one.